I don't always like videos, but when I do, I always prefer Road Dog Crypto. Trade wisely, my friends.
I wait for someone to save. I want to tell you something new. You drove us both into a wall. I drive away into the night, and I contemplate for a while. I wish you all the best I can, and I stop myself for a while. I'm saying things I don't believe. The panic's rising up in you. Won't you tell me something new? Don't you think for the people the best we find back my stability sooner than this? Don't you think for the people the best we find back my stability sooner than this? Don't you wish I would have been someone else? I want to feel your gas without making a mess at you. Won't you tell me something new? I want to tell you something new.
The crowd is waiting in anticipation for Bitcoin bulls to see if whether they're going to take the price from the bottom of this trend line all the way back up to the goal line at the top, coming in at an amazing price, somewhere around $61,500. Crowd seems very enthused that the bulls might actually pull this one off. The bears tried their hardest to get price just to break. They were in a triangulation pattern up here where this dotted line was, and then the bears just started leaning in on the bulls. Frank, are you drunk? It's 420 stream, man. 420. Were we rabbits, bears, bulls, bears, pull them price down. Oh gosh, Frank, God, take that outside, Frank. 420 is the time. Jeez, come on, Frank. And the bulls are doing pretty good here. They're starting to, oh, look at that. The bulls have made a move. I think we're starting to feel our groove come on now. Got to get the bullish music going here at 4:20 a.m. in the morning. Happy 420 wherever you may be. It's got to be 420 somewhere, right? You know what I'm saying? And that's when things just want to pump. We have no hopium on the screen, so no visual smoky effects. That sucks. Well, the 1 minute chart seems to be a little bit boring. I think we ought to just spice it up a little bit. But before we do, what do we think's going to happen? Price should be coming up here to the 200 1 minute moving average. Maybe even come and tap that 100. If I had to bet on it, I would say we're going to go tap that 100. She's been eyeballing this all night. I want to go tap that. Let's go tap it, baby. Ooh, right up here in that cloud. Nobody going to see. Come on. Come on. This little red arrow down here is pointing down to two major moving averages here on this one tiny 1 minute time frame, giving us a clue about what might be happening here in the future. This is the 600 and something, some odd evil moving average, which is moving in on the 800. Now, it'll take a while for that because they are slow as snails. They are sneaky. They move when you least expect it. But that one will cross above it. When it does, I'm sure on the way up there, we will get a nice move. And when that thing crosses, I would bet that the bears will start taking over for a little bit just to bring prices back down. Just a little bit of forecasting going on right there. As we continue to watch this paint dry here on this candle, Frank, come on in, buddy. No, it's all right. You can go ahead and fire it up. That's fine. I'm sorry. It's all right. I'm changing my mind on that right now. Go ahead. It's fine. Oh, look! It even held the price, Frank. Contact what? Who? Contact who? Nah, I don't know, Buzzy. Okay, well, anyway, we're watching price go up here on the 420 stream. Easing up on that 200 moving average there. Once bitten, twice shy. Just go ahead and tap that for us, baby. Perhaps this will be more entertaining on a smaller time frame, such as, I don't know, the 10-second Bitcoin bull chart. Oh my God, are you gonna do it? Oh, he's gonna do it. What's happening here? Well, on this particular 10-second chart, we've got the 360 moving average popping out of nowhere. I will notice these other two moving averages that we talked about on the 1 minute, where they're here on the 10-second too, only they're above price. And, that's where price could be heading up there to touch that one right there, that little red line. Notice they are flipped bullishly over here, the 600 above the 800. What we were waiting for it to happen on the 1 minute has already happened on the 10-second. When it comes to tracing these little guys out, I just like to start following trend lines. We broke that one, but just rode this leg right on up, so that's very bullish. We're trying to find its newer low. It's going to have to get rejected or do something here at some point, either up here at this red line or this green line. Are you colorblind? Is that indica or what is it? Is it color? Affect my vision? We seem to be recovering this 360 moving average here. Oh, nice candle, I think. Uh-oh. They got the drums a-beating. The crowd's getting antsy. Oh, look at that. Oh, you can hear the bears moan in the background as we are starting to recover this 382 Fibonacci area, which has been the whole goal of this thing. Notice down here on the 10-second chart, we've got the bullish cross. The golden cross, as they call it. And now we might have, we have broken this make-believe trend line here. Oh, testing that non-moving average. The bears are starting to get happy. They put, the bears are so, look where it went, right where you said it's going to go, Road Dog. That's crazy. Right? You just doxed me in front of everybody. This is supposed to be a blind stream. Nobody's, anonymous stream, nobody's, and you jinxed it. I'm going to dox, Frank. It's really Sean. Everybody, it's Sean. Anyway, back to the price action here on the 420 Bitcoin Bowl. Sounds like we need a little music for some musical encouragement here. Sounds like you need a new soundtrack. That one's getting old. Sounds like somebody might want to stop by the unemployment office. I'm just saying. Look at us go. That is so bullish. I love it. Who the hell are you? I just wanted to fill in for Frankie over here. Is he still going by that name? Wow. We're getting a little bit of rejection here at the 660 something moving average there, which often happens in these cases. That line likes to smack prices down. We had several humps there, hard to see on the 10-second chart. Will we get rejected here, find a little place? Where might that be, might you ask? Well, let's try to figure that out on this little 10-second chart, should that situation happen. I've been looking at this little guy right back here, about $60,978. That would be my prediction if we get rejected here. However, we are seeing something kind of bullish unfold before our very eyes. It's amazing. The non-moving average has crossed over the 800, ladies and gentlemen. Price should get a nice little boost up here. Maybe a little bitty God candle happening right now before our eyes. We are reclaiming our grounds, ladies and gentlemen. We are going buzzily to the upside. Somebody draw me a flag and a stick up to wherever BitMart says it's going to go. Hallelujah, we're getting bullish on the 10-second chart. Must be transferring over to the 1 minute, but it's so much funner on the 10 seconds. We trade like a boss, man. Who's in this with me, man? Who made some money? Who's in the games, man? Who's in the game? Hello. Oh no, not again, he says. There's no chat on the Bitcoin Bowl. Well, we gotta fix that. We need some chat on the Bitcoin Bowl. Hold on, people. We're gonna customize this. Hold tight while Bitcoin does what Bitcoin do. At 4:20 in the morning, Bitcoin getting high. Do you see that? Bitcoin getting high at 4:20 in the morning. There ain't no law against it, is there? Well, I know I encourage Bitcoin to just get as high as it wants to today. Let's recover that 382 Fibonacci. Let's reclaim it and get a strong move to the upside, is what I'm saying. There you are. And paste. And now we got chat. Look, now we got chat. Wow! Now you can't see nothing. Oh, that's right. I guess I didn't see that. Road Dog. There's a rotten pumpkin right now. Yeah, Road Dog has not been to bed yet. Road Dog's been, I don't know, watching price, doing this and that. Look, who's in the games right now? You could be up $5 if you put $2,000 in this market. Get the fastest $5 you've ever made. There is Selenda. How is Selenda doing? Was just going to bed and saw the stream pop up. It's only 1:20 in Arizona. Well, it's got to be 4:20 somewhere. That's what's going on over here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, did that do it? Bitcoin, no, keep going up. You can still get high, Bitcoin. Keep doing your 4:20 thing. It's in your time zone. Go ahead, baby. Don't take it personal. Somebody blowing that candle. Keep going. Oh! They found out that's not 420. I don't know. Bookman's got some greed. Bitcoin had some greed. I don't know what's going on. He just lost it. Oh, there's a little sign of, are you going to regain that 9 moving average here on this very fast moving 10-second chart? Who is in the gains? Who's made $50,000 on this move? Who did it? Join my OnlyFans foot only trading group. Get special discounts. Get the same content, just you get pictures of my feet with it. Worth every $1,000 per month. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. We have knocked down our OnlyFans footy pick group here from $5,000 a month to a mere on sale for the next 3 months for just a mere $1,500 a month. You can get personally delivered Bitcoin charts with Road Dog. Pictures of Road Dog's feet right there pointing out the price targets. It's amazing. It's amazing. Only ballers. We've regained the 9 moving average. Let's go, baby. Can everybody see this? Feel like I should just go to a regular screen. If I get suggestions to go to a regular screen, I will, but I'm not going to do a camera. So you guys are up later, up early, or something? Bitcoin stumbling here, leveling out here. There's got to be something. What did I miss there? You got a fib level? Let's check it and see. That looks very suspicious to me. Price action just came to a halt right there. Oh no, it's not. What happened? I can't. We can close our eyes and wink and blink twice and click our heels, but truly, it's got to be up here. La 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 la. Hey, how long does this song last, man? That song's been going on forever, dude. You got better music on the other part of the channel, I'm just saying. She's retesting the Lucy line here, as we call it, on the amazing 10-second chart. So we had this leg up. What I'm looking for is her to find her bottom. She seems to have lost it. She lost her bottom, doesn't know where it's at. She'll find it soon, hopefully right down here, because that, ooh, look at that. 50 moving average crossing the 800 right there. We are getting excited here. The stadium's just going crazy. The music is getting on my nerves, though. I'm just saying. Drake says it's 7:32 p.m. here. Oh, well, this is not late night at all. Is this the only song that you have on this channel? Is that it? Everybody quit talking about the music, man. I'm working on it. And there we are, ladies and gentlemen. And here, finding support here on the Lucy line. That little elusive little devil there. You thought she didn't matter. You thought it was crazy when I mentioned it, but Price does respect Lucy on every time frame. We're getting a convergence here. The non-moving average attacking Lucy from the top, while the 50 is coming up from the bottom. We got this gruesome threesome coming on, going into this noxious green cloud. I can't look. This is not made for TV, folks. I don't know. This is supposed to be a family show, but they getting it on right here in this little range. Let's see what pops up out of this, if anything. Are you gonna... Are you feeling excited? Oh, somebody did not get their Viagra today. Bitcoin price just tanked down to the 100 moving average, one full sweep. Ooh, you talk. Looks like that 420 had some kind of a dire effect there on you. You kind of lost your momentum there, huh? You lost your momentum there, partner. Look at this. Let's track this moving average, or this little trend line back here, because I think we just dropped down to test that sucker. That was amazing. I forget how volatile price gets on these little things. Look, an amazing retest of the 100 moving average and this trend line, which needs to be thicker so you guys can see what the hell we're talking about here on this channel. Amazing recovery. That's given us our first clue on this 10-second moving average to what we can expect next, and that is this. Looks like we're going to be coming up into this way. I know it sounds crazy at the moment. Probably sounds like a Frank smoking something, but how does it sound like I'm smoking something? You smell like pickles. Anyway, while Frank still thinks that 420 doesn't stand for the time that we started broadcasting, and he's doing something else. Frank. We're looking for these targets up toward the top of this channel now, because why not? Until we get a different low here, that's why we got to go these angles, and these angles mean something to me. So don't make me cry on stream. I don't want to fool that algorithm to bring more people into all this alpha that we're going over right now on this golden 10-second chart. Oh, look, we got some rejection coming in right now as we speak. Oh, the bulls are not liking this. We got some rejection, the 21 crossing over not only the red line, but also that orange line. We are in the middle of the cloud. They are tag teaming, and Lucy, they are tag teaming the 800 moving average. They are tag teaming everything. Guys, man, come on, please. Have some composure here. Can we put that thing away? We're getting rejection here now. Probably coming back for a retest or a lower low. If we go for a lower low, since we messed with that one, we'll probably come down here to this 200 moving average area. Break this trend line, and that would suck. Breaking that trend line gives us a major move down to areas that we don't want to go back and see anymore. It looked like a big old drop here on the 10-second chart, but if you're zooming out, this is just like one little grain of sand on the beach of time. Here we go. Boom. Can she come down here if we break this? She can. She can do whatever she damn well wants to. You know she can. Try to tell Bitcoin what to do. You crazy, man. Well, I'd say if we can get the major move all the way down to 60,900 if we break this trend line. No guarantees we're going to break that. We did have this 50 cross very bullishly over this stuff. We can stay up there. Pull us up, baby. Pull us. Really, it looks like we're going to have some rangy through here, so. Even the 10-second chart is getting bored. Sounds like 420. That's 438, man. You gotta like take 18 more puffs to catch up, dude. That's how that works, man. Better step it up your game, man. Dude. Who let this guy in the studio? We got some Bitcoin zigzag price action, not price action, but moving average action. They don't know what to make of this. They're just kind of consolidating right here. Yep, couldn't get it up, could you? You tried. You tried. You need a magazine or something? You should tune into my OnlyFans. That might help you out. A little foot pick. We gotta help you get your mind right. And oh, okay, no, we were sorry. Didn't mean to mention the feet pics. But she was a little sensitive about that, wasn't she? Here we go. Measure move. Come on, baby. Let's go do it. Ooh, you went down there quick. You a fast mover here. I'm impressed. Are you gonna go below it? Come on, baby. Let's go roll. Let's go do it. Chomp it, chomp it, chomp it. Welcome to the 420 Bitcoin Bowl, everybody. Road Dogg is back to DCNA and the Jam I think I may just go to the regular thing because, I don't know. I think people get bored with this. I gotta turn my cameras off. There, here we go. And boom.
For those of you out there that have been hitting that like button, I should say thank you very much.
Oh, we can't just leave it mid, you know. We were watching this idea to try to see if she's going to go all the way up here, and she didn't. She came down, so we got to see her play out, see what's going on this amazing 10-second chart. Yes, it is clickbait. I told you it was the 1 minute, and then I suckered you into the 10-second. Get that degen flowing. Them altcoins, man. Them altcoins. Oh, they're taking a hit now. They were doing kind of nice there for a minute. For a minute, Total 3 was kind of looking kind of nice. Probably getting a little scared here. This little 10-second chart does that. We still got a bottom of trend line down here. Where did that come from? Oh, yeah, that was that bigger one. It's hard to... That was our main idea. Ah, crap, we're doing okay. We bounced off that little guy. Shit. We got so zoomed in, we forgot where we were at. How often does that happen? Let's zoom out to the 1 minute because we need a dose of reality here, right? So the original thesis, ladies and gentlemen, was to bounce off of this line that we drawed from up here as price was coming down, taking that magical angle there, catching it in just the air, if you will. The art of catching knives, if you're using the channel, becomes much more easy. Get your knife-o-matics automatically. 1-800-555. Right? I don't know. And now we're coming back down, looks for a retest. If it were me and I were fibbing this little guy out, I'd even here on the 1 minute, I'd be pulling out my fibs looking for that 786. You like that 618, I ain't gonna argue with you, but I still think you might touch down this 786 right here. That's right around with our measure. Our measure move tags is 886. I'm not gonna screw it, I'm sticking with the measure move. She's doing a deep retracement. Go do it. Don't look like she's gonna get there, but okay, confirm to remove lock drawings. I ain't confirming nothing. 420 makes. Wait, come on now. What? I didn't. Are the fibs locked in? Why are you locking the fibs? Sean? I'm sorry. It looked like the on button. I didn't see the lock. Alrighty, so here we are. We're just fleshing out our trend lines, really. So we have a measure move. Are we going to make it down there? I don't know. I don't know what price is going to do. It can. It usually does. It can. But we're basically just looking for a... Ooh, we got some angle there. Maybe she won't. Maybe she won't. She's got a 360 on the 1 minute and a 50 right above it. We got a little bit of angle going on, and that's really what we're looking for because we're trying to find a bigger channel. Yeah, a bigger channel. I know it sounds crazy, right? A channel within a channel. Channels falling within channels. Too many channels. There's too many channels on YouTube. You only need one channel on YouTube. If your channel don't have a dog, uh-oh, break it. Come on down. Well, if she comes down here, man, then we're just right back to where we started with this trend line here, which is fine. We needed to hold though. If that breaks, I'll be, this stream will be over abruptly. Yeah, this is that great 1 minute chart going on right here. Just hanging out like, yay. So we'll just get back to the 10-second because we're true degens here. What's going on the 10-second chart? Look, 9 crossed the 21 moving average. That's the little secret sauce that most people don't know. And now, if we can just bounce above that, we can recover this 200 moving average. If that 200 can cross that purple line, then oh boy, we can get a strong move right back up here to this green line. Go to the green line. It's all about the green, baby. Let's come and do it. Can we do it? Can't end the stream until we get some kind of a play out of this guy. Just to confirm that our bigger play, which you didn't change that, did you? This bigger channel idea, they can take us back up here to these red lines and back up to the tops of these lines and possibly up to the top over here is the big idea that we've got to play. We're just watching it on these silly little time frames. Four-hour chart started showing some signs of improvement. Started watching that and started watching for a bounce at a 382 Fibonacci retracement from our current swing low to swing high on the bigger time frames. And if we can hold this level, we might actually have a strong move coming maybe today out of Bitcoin. If we can't hold that magical area, what does it look like, Roda? Where are you? You're so lost. Is this line right here? Pretty much, we're just right below it. We can zigzag there, but if we can hold that guy, we get us another. Oh, we are holding this guy. I'm sorry. It's 420. That's why we're disillusioned. On the bigger time frames, this is what we're looking at, and this is what was so scary, is that we lost a channel idea, possibly. This got some wiggle room, but it kind of went past the wiggle room on it, right? So it looks bearish and could be getting a bearish retest and all that, but if we come down to the very end of it here, if we kind of work with our angle ideas that we got there, all the way to the very wick there, probably behind my head, you can't see it, that low end there. We're just right below it. That's as far as I can take that and feel consciously good about it. But we're in a position here on the 4 hour with this 200 moving average crossing that 666 moving average, which is definitely going to be some resistance. That has been some resistance, but that sign right there and us bouncing off of this particular moving average gives me hope that we can bounce right back in here, make this into a possible bear trap, or as some people would say, a swing failure pattern. That's what I'm looking for, and those are fun to play. Another thing for confidence about that is, other than this 382 Fibonacci, which a bounce off of this one should be a strong move to the upside. We lose this Fibonacci, then, well, we're coming down 56, 55, all that good stuff. So it's imperative that we kind of regain this 200 movement average on this 4 hour today. I mean, some other ones are trying to attack it, but look at this. Look at this. This 50 moving average, that's the one that makes the bear cross, the death cross. Was Kamikaze diving on it, but now it's not. Now she's curving around. Those are some good signs, ladies and gentlemen, especially on a 4 hour time frame. That's something to be watching there. I know we got some bearish crosses happening here and there, but let's see what we can do here. We got some good crosses going on too with the bigger ones that really count. We also have our 100 moving average way up here at 63,000. That adds a little air in our balloon to help lift price up there. In my personal opinion, the best way I can explain it is like the reverse of sandbagging. If the moving averages were down here, they'd be weighting us down here. Right now, they're lifting us. They got a potential to lift us up on the smaller time frames and on all the time frames. And we just got to see if they playing with us right here, trying to get our emotions. And I look over here to the left, ladies and gentlemen, and we got our most recent bottom respecting these same moving averages here that we're betwixt right now. I use the word betwixt because that is the word for the day. And today is word is betwixt. Say hello to Cassie over to the left. That is my side chick over there. Hey, Cassie. And just like Cassie, we might be getting a cheek over here and got one hanging off the side, forming right here. A nice double bottom with a big old butt crack right there. We could be looking for this kind of situation, so it may not just be a straight up, it may be some kind of accumulation pattern, but I want to see us break above the 200 moving average, start flirting our way back up here. We can accumulate up through this way. Let's get across this line, baby. Let's do this. Let's make this happen, Bitcoin. Looking on the daily ding dong, what we got over here, man? Looking at some of these indicators, stochastics are buried. That doesn't really help us out too much right there. Money flows in the green. That's what helps us out. We need to see more money flow come in. Daily, this does not necessarily look amazing, but daily needs to bounce off of this 50 moving average, and that's what we're looking for. We lose this on the daily, that's going to be some signs of trouble. So we're at a point where this could just be a wick back on the daily back into this pattern, and then we could start getting a stronger move up and start testing that 63.5. And that's basically what we're looking at here. I furred you, I clickbaited you in on the Bitcoin bull, and now we got you into real zooming out TA here. Trying to see if this channel is going to hold. Probably looks a bit better on the 4 hour. We gotta zoom to that. 4 hours got the green dot here on market cipher. I told you 4 hour looking kind of bullish there. Now stochastics are headed up on the 4 hour. VWAP has come up. We see a little bit of yellow coming in right there. Don't have money flow in the green yet, but she's rounding off here. Maybe she'll level out and start flowing in the green. When that happens, 4 hours start getting a little more interesting, and I think we might have that little fake out confirmed there. Is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a fake out right here. I'm looking for price to recover this area and then start making a stronger move to the upside. If it doesn't, we're coming down, baby. We're coming down. And do you want to know where from the measured move? Can you handle it if we do? Do you have a plan in place just in case? Because this could be a nasty drop still on the table. We're not denying that, but there could also be, this is the time of the year where they like to just fake us out. So yeah, as low as 53,000 coming down, almost as low as we had there, should this idea not pan out. But you gotta have a little daredevil in you. You gotta at least look at the ideas to see. Take some time to look for some confirmations and see if the idea will play out. And I'm telling you, she's got a chance. She's got a chance. It doesn't look near as bearish as what it could, in my personal opinion, for what she's trying to do or says she might be wanting to think about doing. When you're in a channel, we got a partial decline here. Making a low here, making another low here. We can get a bounce off right there. Let's go, baby. Let's do it. I lost my chat. This stream shouldn't last too long. We're not going to be like a 1 or 2 hour stream. We started at 4:20. We'll probably, it'd be about 30 minutes right now. Striker says, AJC using the demo account. Down, he lost anything. Do not know who AJC. Well, the Bitcoin 4 hour chart is boring to watch here on the live stream. So here we are on the 1 minute. Wow, looky there. Is this the same chart we were on? I can't recognize it no more. Is this the same one? Did I switch charts? From what we were looking at before. Oh gosh, you just screwed it up, Road Dog. You lost your chart. No, here we. No, that's not you. I guess that was you. All right, yeah, I got lost. Sorry. Among me ideas. So yeah, looking here on the 1 hour, it does look like a bearish retest. We got to address this fact. It does look like a bearish retest, but the difference is she's above that non-moving average. Starts at least that non-moving average, you can count this as a bearish retest. But as long as she's above that non-moving average on this, as long as those candle bodies are closing above that, don't you dare call her a bearish retest. I'm calling her a trap until she breaks that. And that's my clues. That's my clues right there. She can regain the 800, that's this orange line, and she can regain this red line, the 21. I know we got the death cross on the 1 hour. 1 hour looks rough as all get out. It does. I'm not going to deny that. Not going to deny that. Not going to take anything away from that. But the 4 hour looking good. There is a strategy Jason Casper goes over every once in a while. I haven't heard him say in a while, but you get a green dot on the 4 hour market cipher. That's this little indicator down here. And then you carry over to the 24 and you look for the next green dot that appears there, and that's your entry. They got a big thickening Ichimoku cloud just begging for us to go through it. I'm just throwing those ideas out there. You want to wait for confirmations, don't do anything. We are waiting for confirmations on this. This is not the same chart we were looking at earlier, dude. You're at a different trend line, man. Oh, we moved it. We extended it. Is that what the hell? Road Dogg got lost. He ain't had no late. I'm going to cycle through these things and see if I thought it was the COINEX one that I was on. What was it, the index? Here wasn't the other ideas we were looking at. That was the channel. This was with the tighter trend lines to the candle bodies, not down to the wicks like we got it now. So when she was first showing signs of losing it and everything, still measure move taking us down there. But we also drew a trend line from over here at this little guy because there's an angle forming there, and that seems to be what we're respecting right here as far as that trend line goes. Still, I'm still looking at a main fib level. She seems to like that one there. That's cool. That's interesting. Not want to take that away from me. What is this? Who exploded on this screen? Apparently I moved a line and now we got this one. This is our main. I thought we had a white trend line we were bouncing off of. You screwed it up, Sean. How dare you? Oh, this is it. That's right. We were on the 10-second chart. I found it. Found it. See how zoomed in we are on these 1 minute charts that, you know, I got lost. That's crazy. That's crazy, y'all. We trading on here we are with the VRVP point of control right there. We're holding that area. I mean, we're losing it right now, smart ass. So thank you for stating the obvious. We'll come back down to the 1 minute where we started. What gets sticked often, what gets wicked often gets candled sticked. And look, this green line, all about the green lines for me right now. That's I think that's the main green line right here. Yeah, we could wick down, and I'm cool with us coming back up and bear trapping. Oh, are you going to do it? Can we go back to the 10-second chart, because that's just so much more fun to watch. Look, should we go back to the crypto bow? Now we're getting our little bounce we're looking for there. If we can confirm price get above $6,902, confirm this double bottom we got in our idea going on. These ideas play out on small time frames just like they do the big ones, the things that we're going over. If you're kind of new to this, you're like, what the hell is this guy talking about? Stick with me on my late night streams, join our free Telegram community. Oh, look, you suck, Road Dogg, it's going the other way. Support. Will it hold? It don't look like it wants to hold, does it? It looks scary as all get out, don't it? It looked like it dropped. It did. It made a lower low. It's gone. You gonna drop past this one? Don't do it. We are losing. You suck, Road Dogg. Oh, look, we bounced there. Double bottom so far. Will it hold? Will it hold? It's got to hold. See how level that is? It's got to hold. Will it hold? They trying to dump us on this 10-second chart. There are a lot of sell orders over here at this 382 fib. I think they're trying to spoof us, but there is a big sell wall there, and it could be a squeeze popping up. That's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a squeeze. If we get support here, then we could squeeze up through there. It could be a fun day today in crypto. But it would help if we stay at this, even on this tiny 10-second chart, it would help if we can maintain this level. We lost it. Down we go. Down we go. Probably fast. Yep. Happens quick. There we go. That's where you need 100x right here on this 10-second chart. Just go balls to the wall. Dude, man, you like tripled your money right there in that one move. What the hell? What would that have been on 100x. Just that one little move. Watch her lose it. Then you would have gave most of it back. 0.006. What would be at 60% gains? That didn't sound like much. But it's 10-second chart though. Now watch and see what she does. Ooh, baby. You coming down further? She had broken my... Oh, well, our theory just got blasted out of the water that we started right on the 1 minute. She got us. She broke through. This is what we started out looking for. We're looking for a bounce here. Now, I can still see us... I would see us kind of ranging here. I think we still can range. But she did break out of her channel, so she's going to have to come down and find a new low. You're so disappointed in me. You made me look stupid. This is a rising channel. They do break down to the downside. I was hoping it would not occur here. Let's get rid of these little lines so we can see price action in there. Cause you suck, road dog. 4:20 in the morning. What the hell? Well, if she's breaking down this way, could have sworn I did this 5 times, but I probably did. We put our measure move right to the breakout. We did not finagle our measure move. We did not drag it down to any other spots, especially where Bookmap has something. I don't have Bookmap, but I see people do that. They seem to think measure move means go to a big Bookmap level and hope for the best. So we got a measure move right to here. Moving averages just don't look like they want to let it go there anytime soon. So if she might take a minute to get down. Well, we're on the 10-second 1 minute chart. It can't take too dang long. Price action wise, what we would normally expect breaking out of a channel is that you usually get a retest of this area over here where you broke out of. If it's kind of bullish, it might ride it up here. Now that could start looking kind of interesting. But normally we would expect that and then roll over if she doesn't just come on straight down. So we're in a conundrum right now as it is on this chart with a lot of green lines on it that are not holding up very well right now. I'm going to take these guys off because now they're just confusing to me. Oh, that was locked in. I guess I ain't that's the main one. I think that's the one. I think this is the, yeah, I believe this was the main one I'm trying to hold. Hoping that we hold. We're in a big zone. We're on the 1 minute. We're really close to it. We're not that far away from it. When you zoom out, we're just right in there. We're in a nice little range. Lost the point of control. Now, this one suggests that we can come down to 60,003, so don't think that it can't. Lines up really nice over here. This is a pretty good indicator too. But I got to measure move to here. That means she can come down here. Maybe she'll come up and then get bearish, a little bit more bearish, come lower down here. I don't know. Maybe she'll just bounce here and not even touch these areas. We don't know, but since she started the move down here, look like she already did. Did you just do your bearish retest already? She trying to do her bearish retest now? She's trying to do her bearish retest now. It's probably more interesting on the 10-second chart because you're saying, look, we bounced, we're back in. Woo, to the upside. I mean, that would be cool and everything. That's if we start reclaiming these areas, but more than likely, since we broke that channel, probably rejection here. So let's see how that plays out. No, you trying to do it. No way, I'm on the 10-second chart. You trying to do it? I don't believe you. I gotta see now. We gotta see if she's gonna pop up there now. Some of these indicators are saying she wants to pop back in here and make this a bear trap. I'm just saying, instead of a retest. I'm expecting a bearish retest. I'm just saying, we got some. Do you have some divergences? Check for some divergences. So you got some divergences going on here on the 10-second chart. Bitcoin, she's reclaiming that though. Look at that. She's trying to move up there again. I guess what gets candlestick. Gotta get past here. Come on. Going up, baby. Going up. On the 10-second chart. It's a very possible bearish retest, but she did have to do a little breakout to do this. So we're bullish in the very moment on the 10-second chart. We'll see how long we can stay bullish to get past here. Come on. Come on up here, baby. Come on up to daddy. You're right here. Why don't you come up here? That would be nice. Do that. She got past her 100, decided to come back and talk to it for a minute. Got distracted there. We're getting a trend line, a break from that trend line, starting to form another one now. I look for angles. I think you got you right there. Let's do it, baby. Come on. We just waiting here on the 10-second chart for Bitcoin to pop up to $60,900. You going 100? I'm going 200x long. No way. Should be happening about any moment. That green line crossed the 200, or that white line right there. Should happen. Should boom. Oh no, you suck, road dog. It's doing the opposite. It could retest that, but I'm still expecting boom. Come on. Anytime now. Boom. Oh, you suck. Oh, you suck, road dog. It did exactly the opposite. You're just like that other morning dude chasing the small time frames. It goes the other way. Well, that it did, but it came down to the... Well, is that the 21 moving average? It's got to go up from here, right? So this is what our trend line helps us kind of figure out, right? Now we gotta squint our eyes and follow this one down here. We caught that in time. That happened quick. She lost that one real quick. Higher high. Sorta. Not higher than this one, but higher than this one. Will this trend line hold, or will Road Dog look like a stupid idiot on YouTube once more? What if she holds, then what? What did that hold? Nah. Looks like she's losing it. Don't lose it, baby. We're sitting there talking to the there you go. There you go. Will it hold? Will it hold? Will it hold? Will it hold? Can you say it's anything else other than will it hold? Oh, you suck, road dog. Your stuff does not work worth a crap. It just did not respect your trend line at all. You're horrible. Let's go back home. Now we're looking at these levels here. Oh, sure. Expect that one to hold too, do you? Well, that just means that we had the bears retest. More than likely. Yeah, watch me say that and then she goes back the other way. You suck, Bitcoin. Sometimes you're just an asshole. I'm just going to say it out because, you know, we've all thought it at some time. I'm just going to stress it. Sometimes you're an asshole. So zoom out, zoom out. We're breaking down from, I need to draw this channel bigger, don't I? That's just too small of a channel. Breaking to the downside of that, I wanted us to bounce from it. I did. But we came back up. That was our bearish retest, apparently. The wick up there, and she didn't quite make it back. We're thinking. She's still hanging out now. She's still hanging out. Are you expecting my trend line? I was 10 seconds to saying, suck it! Nah, I don't know if I can say it yet or not. All you doubters can... They're being very quiet. You have nothing to say. She's got to get above the 9. She's not above the 9, then things are not fine. Wow, that trend line seems to be doing something though, huh? Yeah, all you doubters. It's all good. We're just playing. It is no longer 4:20 in the morning. That she lost it. She lost it. She lost it. She lost it. Oh man. That trend line went up. That was weird. The trend line. Okay. That was weird. Let me explain what we just saw there. And if you see Joe, you got to tell him that you saw. I've never seen this happen either, but we just witnessed this, and Joe would not. He would swear up and down that this does not happen. Trend line follows price, right? Or the moving averages follow price. We saw this one bump up before price went up above it. Maybe this is like what is that, quantum physics, where the smaller you get in, the weirder the price action acts, because it did that. I've never seen that before, but we just witnessed that. The moving average went up before the price went up. It was leveled out and it went up before the price went up. Freaky. It hadn't been counting within the last 9 moving candles. Count them back before it started moving up. Silly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you that would account for it right there. But it happened, didn't it? It can. So it can be a leading indicator. We just saw it. Just calculating what happened in the past and applied it to the future. So the 9 crossed the red one right there, the 21, riding above the 9. Everything's fine now. But yeah, what do you think about that trend line now, huh? Yeah, what do you think about the trend? We're not braggers around here. What it really did is come down for a double bottom and really kind of respected that area. So, and then regain the trend line. Now it's respecting that. We have a good chance. We'll put it this way. We get a little too confident, but we've got a good chance to start breaking through this cloud and start coming back up here. I think we're going to zigzag. We got a good chance to hold this area. And if we hold this area, this is a magical area where more upside, stronger upside can come today. So that's what we're doing here today. I can't make this stream go on forever on the 10-second chart. So we're just going to zoom out back to the 1 minute where we started this whole ordeal. Remind ourselves what we're doing. It's still, we did break this trend line now, so it's still on the table to come down here. It's still on the table to come down here. In fact, it probably is headed this way. I would think. I'm just saying. What on the 1 minute, Lucy? Oh, dang it, really? Lucy just crossed the 800. That's actually bullish. I mean, the other ones are starting to kamikaze. They're trying to drive this price down, but are we going to sit here and watch this play out? We're getting more people. We got 5 people now. Well, if you just joined, we've been looking at this channel idea. I was catching this bounce here, hoping that we go up to the top of the channels, getting all bullish for it to do that because, you know, price bounces in channels. But we started watching we are on smaller time frame, juggling between the 10-second and 1 minute, and sometimes jumping around to some bigger ones just to make some commentary. But it looks like a bearish retest of this trend line, which should take us to this measure, move down here about 50,500. 1 minute time frame, very small time frame. When you zoom out and look at the bigger picture, I even got lost and couldn't find my way back. On the bigger things, she we'll go back over my thesis. Swing high, swing low to swing high. Tell me where I need to buy. See this little area right here I got marked out, this 61,000 area, whatever. If we hold this area, it could be our higher. This is going to be our higher low. We can bounce big from here. We can bounce super big, super fuzz. It could be a nice move, especially if we're starting to show signs of a double bottom in this area. Yeah. Today could turn out to be a good trading day, and we're starting to see some signs on it. So we're just looking. If she starts losing this area, and especially if she makes a lower low than here, then we need to start looking at 57, 55,000. But so far, we got some weight up here that can pull us back up, and that's what I'm looking for. We just watched it on the small-ass time frame and all this. See, it doesn't even make any sense. We're zooming down to microcosm here. And so it being bearish and coming down here for what we're looking at on the small is really a drop in the bucket. It's not really much of anything unless she just continues down below here. So I'm going to draw that little line. That's our line in the sand here. She starts making a lower low than there, and then price will do what she does when we see her make lower lows on the smaller time frame. She can probably drop faster down here. Until then, it looks like this area may hold, and if we get above it, good things could happen today. 15 minutes not looking too happy though. I'm just saying. Bigger moving averages are still there in her favor, but the smaller ones, she wanting to dump on us. Well, I believe. Is this what you're sticking with? We did a small time bearish retest. There might be a slight possibility we get another retest there. I mean, it can happen, but ultimately breaking this trend line, we should be headed this way. If she doesn't, I am not sad whatsoever because I really want my Bitcoin bags to pump. But we lost this support from these areas over here, and it's pretty much this going to, you know, there's a support resistance flip down here at 60,700. We're just going to have to step our way down there, I believe. Or drop like a rock. I don't know. I just have destinations. I don't really know the meandering of how we get there. But rather than just track this for the next 2 hours, I'm going to go ahead and just leave it there. That's where I expect it to go. Guys, thanks for hanging out with me. The 420 stream. Just, oh, look, we're starting now. Now you got to hang on, bro, dog. It's going to happen right now. Don't miss your moment of glory. My moment of glory was hoping that we keep on coming up here, but she did. And what did she do? She got rejected at her 618. So we're looking up for a lower low now. And she's stalling out on us like she want to do. Look, come down to 10 seconds. She still wanting to try to. Man, she respecting this area over here. Still, even though she went below it, she respecting it. Respect. Put some respect on it. What gets wicked often gets candlestick. Didn't he say that? So now we get some consolidation. All these moving averages are starting to group up together. Consolidating. Either getting ready for a bigger move down or for it to start reclaiming some of these moving averages, like where it could reclaim the 200. If it reclaims the 200, then that starts getting bullish. If we consolidate and we lose it or break below this line, then down. And we are on the DGen 10-second chart right here. But their moving averages are, you see, they're coming down 150, 21, and the 9. So they're really pushing for it down. The only thing that's the thing that's bullishly looking, and that's what it's flirting with now, is this red cloud with that little bit of green. That's something that we talk about a lot on the channel. Couldn't find any support here, so she gained her. She's above her 9, so we can't say anything bad about her. First steps to recovery right here. Go, baby, do it. Go get it. It looked dangerously close, like she could have broke, and she could have broke it right here. But she's been keeping it for support. She regained it and wicking back above it, and then keeping it as support. That's a bullish sign. We're still not out of the woods, though. We're not out of the woods. We can look bullish, we can look bearish, we can play around here. It's the bigger time frames that will give you a clue, not the small ones. So we're stuck on the 10 seconds, so we really can't forecast on here, other than what she's going to do. No, that's like give him a bear trap. Still on that bear trap idea. She just broke out. She's going to the upside. She's got a major move from this little tiny pattern to the upside. Oh my god! Hey man, if you break back into this line, I'm off. We 800, 600, 200, or 300, 200. There's bearish. The momentum is coming to the downside according to these on the 10-second chart. We've seen it do crazy things, man. On the 10-second chart, this price can boogie. She can gain some ground real quick and lose some ground really quick. Highly volatile. 200 moving average, make or break moment. Got rejected right now. Let's see what we do. What kind of reaction we get at the 9 and the 21, or these other moving averages down here. They're kind of all grouped up together. They're bullish across and trying to. 21 is. Should be coming to the 21 if we lose it. Yeah, we lost it, so I expect the 21 to get hit. We're doing the dance of the moving averages, seeing how well it plays out here. From the 21, then we go to the 50, and then maybe bounce back to the 100. If price will do what... You're just going to look stupid, road dog. We're saying stuff. We just crossed the... Okay, 21 over the 100. That's bullish. She'll come down. Let's go get that 21, baby. Get that 21. Get the 21. You want to make the 21 come to you? That's bullish as all get out if you can do that. Show me you can do that. Pull it off. Make it happen. Pull that 21 up to you. No, couldn't do it. She's gonna lose it. She's coming. Here she comes. Come on, baby. Come on, do it. She lost her level. We're sitting here watching the 10-second chart. Oh my gosh. Is anybody getting anything out of this? Oh, there he goes. Jeremy says, or Striga says later one. Jeremy, I'd like to learn this. You do live a lot? I do live every night about 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I just happened to be up all night and saw something happen on the charts. But free Telegram community that I've got, I'll post the links in the chat. And more than welcome to come over and hang out, start asking questions. There's no paid versions. It's just a big maze of all kinds of alpha and information over there, just waiting for people. A paid bot that does AI bot over there that does technical analysis on charts and stuff and all kinds of stuff. I've got it over there for free. If I can just find the link to put in the chat to prove that that's not a figment of my imagination. I also have a scary face. I have many faces. I am the faceless man in crypto. There we go. There's the chart room. And there is the chat room. And that's where the chat room has got the AI bot in it. Chat group. And then the chart room. All right, so we're trying to regain this. I don't know if we will or not. Ichimoku Cloud looks very promising that we'll gain it and just try to start working on some upside here on the 10-second chart. Ah, geez. Still, when you zoom out, you still could be coming here. If we regain this trend line, I'll just solidify this before I leave. Normally what I would expect to happen here is that we could bullshitly come back up here. Oh, yay! And then get rejected and then start working our way down here. There's some good signs that may not happen. There's still some things going on that I see that say that may not happen. The other scenario that we're looking for, the one that I really would like to see happen, is for us to come back up here in this trend line. That means we've got to get past. If you see us in 60,900 in the like 950, 60,950 or something, we're there. Getting past this one moving. I'm on the 1 minute chart giving this out. This is stupid. If it does though make this, we could get a strong move. So that's what I'm looking for here. Ultimately, I'm looking on the 4-hour chart, which I think looks kind of, she's got some good signs that we can get a nice move today. I know it's a little bearish right short term, but today might turn out to be a surprising day. Let's hope anyway, right? We need some good news. Guys, thanks for hanging out with me for the 420 Bitcoin Bowl. It is now 520. That's as long as it lasts, baby. It's wore off. Gotta go reload. See ya tonight. Good night, everybody.